rainy day forcing play inside. One of Parker and my favorite rainy day games is hide and seek. It comes with this game guide and a scent stone and a little pouch for you to be able to put the stone in, as well as a strap that will let you hang it from higher places to make the game a little more complicated as you go. There are suggestions of 4 levels of play, and Parker's done this a couple times, so here are a couple of rounds of her looking for some increasingly more challenging hides. Have you tried Sniffy games with your dog before? On a rainy day, give this a shot.